Welcome friends, welcome back to Cocktails After Dark. We're going to do another cocktail out of this 1930s cocktail book called Cocktails, written by Jimmy, late of Ciro's in London. And we're going to do something today called Little Devil. And I'm interested in doing this because it sort of meshes with a cocktail we did a little while ago from this Cafe Royal cocktail book, and we'll talk about that at the end. So this is a rum cocktail, specifically asks for Bacardi rum. Doesn't say whether it's a light rum or an aged rum or anything like that. I have to assume 1930, during the Prohibition, that it's probably a light rum or whatever rum you could get your hands on. It didn't matter. So I'm going to make it two ways. I'm going to use this aged Diplomatico rum. This is an 8-year-old rum. So I'm going to make one with that, and I'm going to make one with the Bacardi, and we'll compare the two. Next in is some gin, and there are quite a few rum and gin drinks, and I'm amazed at how well they go together. If you find a combination that works for you, the mesh is wonderful. Next is Cointreau, and so we'll put that in, and of course, you could probably use any Curacao that you like. We've got about a dozen different Curaçaos on our bar. And I think at some point I'm going to do a taste-off between all of them and see what the difference is in different brands. Finally, it is some lemon juice. And so we put the lemon juice in, and then we ice this off and shake it. And I'll ice these one at a time so it doesn't get too dilute. Okay, so the first one, this is the one with the Diplomatico rum. Should have a really nice color. Maybe not as dark as I thought it was going to be. And the Bacardi. Oh, it is quite a bit lighter. Look at that.
Hi, Glenn.
Hey, Jules.
Hi, friends. Those are visually very different drinks.
Yes, so it is the Little Devil.
Yeah, I can see that now with the two different rums.
So an 8-year-old aged rum and a white rum should give us a different flavor, should give us a different perspective on it. And it's very close to the Atlantic.
Oh, we like the Atlantic.
Yes, so that one was Cointreau, rum, gin, and absinthe. This one has lemon juice instead of the absinthe. And the slightly different, who knows?
Lemon is distinctly different from absinthe, so it might be just enough to make it
completely different.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Has that same banana smell.
Really?
Mm-hmm, this one does.
Wait, let's switch.
Oh, I'm sorry. Not this one, though.
Okay, what do you think?
They're really refreshing, a bit like having a lemonade.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's
Yep.
like, I wouldn't say that, I don't have that cocktail flavor to it. I have like that this could be very dangerous lemonade.
A porch sipping, a pitcher. This is a pitcher drink. Mm-hmm. Load it up with ice and put it in a pitcher, and people just serve it as the afternoon goes on. I mean, the ice would of course melt into it, and it would. But it is a pitcher drink.
Yeah, it's like a really refined, hard lemonade.
Yeah, I like both of them. I would drink either of them.
Yeah,
Even though they're
hot day that
yeah.
you just
They're a little slightly different, but not a huge amount, I don't think.
Well, except for that banana smell. You don't get that with that one?
I get it a little bit, not as much as we did with the Atlantic. The Atlantic, it definitely had a banana smell. And I don't know what that is, the combination
But
of the
again,
gin,
it was just
the
one
rum.
of them. The one of them had the banana smell more than the other.
Yeah. Check out that video. I get a little more alcohol heat from the Bacardi. And there is a difference between the Bacardi and the Diplomatico of 2% in alcohol volume, which shouldn't really make this one that much hotter. And I don't know what that difference is. I like that.
I can't put my finger. It's just it's one of those things that again is just different enough that when you're standing here side by side sipping it, you're
yeah.
like, oh, those are slightly different.
But if someone said at the bar, what kind of rum do you want in your Little Devil? I could go with either. And again, I only use one type of gin. The gin would again change and layer it, and it just becomes
Well,
this.
and then throw in a different Cointreau, and then throw in like there's
Yeah.
so many things, right?
Yeah.
That you could change just in this combination.
Yeah, the Curacao could change it again.
Here's the fun part: you could find a drink you
Exploring.
generally like, and just make a
Dozen
20 different versions
yeah.
of it. Get together with your friends. What do they own for rum? Try it all.
Have a big party, pick one cocktail, and as many different brands of the alcohols that
Just
you can get.
have them
and
bring
just-
it from their house
and have a good time.
and do it together.
Yep. Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.